Hello everyone, this is a video demonstration of the Alter application, with which we can create models to make an inventory of PCs, monitors and printers. Click on the button New Model to create it, and it will show a list of palettes, and in this case we are using inventory. Once loaded, click on the button below to open the camera. It shows you a message about the class that are only available with codes, but I will talk about it later. There are two ways to add objects. The first is by touching the screen pointing anywhere that looks like a horizontal plane. First select the class from the list below. There is only one available at the moment. Select it and then touch the screen that you want to place the object. You will be asked to add a unique name. In this case, I will call it fake print. We will give it an OK and we will show a printer object with the attributes with the default values. The other way is to scan codes. Remember the previous message warning us about classes that only use codes. You can scan QR codes and barcodes by pressing the QR button and pointing to the code. When it loads, it will get a message with different options. In this case, it tells us that the code has external information. We can choose to load information with the Yes button, or use the default information with the Yes without data button. We can also ignore the code completely or cancel any action with the Not Now button. Using Yes button, it shows external information. Note that codes case are invisible objects. If we click on the default values, it will show us a table with all the available classes PC, monitor, and printer. Select one and click on the Add button. We name the object and it will create it with the default values. Going back to the previous case, if the external data has a reference to another object in a code, we can scan that code using these external values. Once scanned, the application will detect the reference and add it, displaying a line linking both devices. To edit the attributes of any object, click on the Edit button and select the desired class, the table. A table will display with all attributes or reference of the object, when in this case are already loaded. To edit, click off any cell and use the keyboard to enter its new value. We can save the data, cancel or even delete them. In this case we are going to save them by pressing the OK button. Because it's an external information, the changes are posted in the API where the information comes from. Taking a look at the object, we see that the information we have edited, in this case the PC model, is also displayed in the augmented reality, and your API has also been updated. We can see this using Postman with above data. By doing a get of the object, it shows us the updated model. If we make a new model of the same inventory by scanning the same code, the modified information will also be displayed. But it's not the only information that is stored in API. All your model and augmented reality information can be saved locally in the Save button. We give a name and then load it later. If a warning occurs, it's because it's not receiving enough information from the environment. You can move the camera a bit to detect more reference areas or change the perspective. To load saved data, click on the Load Model button and select the model that you want to load. Same as creating it, wait a few seconds, click the button below and it will open the camera. In this case we have a new button, Hit button. It shows us a screenshot of the zone that we saved. Point to that zone and all the information, including the previous world origin, will display right back where we left off. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching the video.